Good morning. It's Randy with Carchaeology, and I've come up here to the lab to just kind of hang out, have my morning coffee, ponder my existence, and prepare for the weekend ahead. Now, I'm sort of semi-retired at this point, and so my days are all kind of blending together, and that's lovely. It's wonderful. The weekends certainly are a treat because there's a lot of fun events and stuff to go to, but at the same time, during the week, I have a lot of fun just hanging out here playing with my crap. And so that's what I've been up to this week, and I wanted to give you a little update as to that. So the car projects this week, not much has happened. I've been focusing on cleaning up the lab here a little bit, organizing stuff a bit, and trying to make it a cooler place to hang out and just be. Because as time goes on, I'm finding myself with more time to just kind of do what I love. And what I love is working on this stuff, chasing through the history of it, finding little projects, stuff to fix, things to improve, and digging up history and making it go. So that's kind of what I've been up to. So let me take you for a quick walk around and show you some of the things that I've done here this week. I did do some work on the BMW motorcycle, but more than anything, I've just done some cleanup here in the shop. So let me show you where I'm at so far. So this side of the garage, I redid a number of years ago, just kind of as the man cave. And then over time, I tend to pile in boxes or pack cars and motorcycles and stuff in too tight. And it got to a point, especially after the passing of my mom and the clear out of her house, that this area just got packed full of stuff. So I've been working my way through that stuff, trying to get less of it here. I still have a table full of stuff there that I've got to dig out. But I've cleared out the space around the pinball machines. I've got room around all the chairs here so that I can hang out. I can come take a nap on the couch. I can kick back with friends and BS and just kind of do what you do in your man cave. I've got the neon sign lit up. I cleaned up the showcases that have cool little things in them. It's been fun to kind of go through that and spend a little time just kind of cleaning. And all the little history, all the little ephemera, everything's got a story behind it, and I just love it. I've got one of the doors from the 40 Doors project here, waiting for other ones to come back from artists. I've got this Herbie hood that I'm going to hang back up here on the roof, or it was there once before. But more than anything, I've just been kind of cleaning and straightening up and just kind of fluffing my nest. You know, there's so much crazy stuff going on in the world. I need a safe, happy place to be so that I can keep my sanity or feed my insanity. And I can do that here in the lab. So the other project I've been working on this week is the R65 BMW. I've done further cleanup on it, just kind of adjustment of stuff. I got the rear fender pointing the right direction, got the taillight nice and straight. I found this cool fairing here that I have now put on it. Had to modify the location of the turn signals to get that on there. And I'm probably going to pinstripe it here next. I ordered up some pinstripe paints and a brush. And many years ago, I took up a pinstriping class along with my wife. And I actually got to a point where I was okay with it. I wasn't pro, but I could lay a stripe on something and have it look decent. But it's been 30 years since I've done that. So it'll be interesting to see if I can pick those skills back up and maybe stripe that fairing so it matches the tank. So things going on this weekend. There's two events I'm going to hit. I'm going to be driving the 356. One of them, though, is a hot rod or a Ford event. There's a swap meet down in Escondido at Deer Park on Saturday morning where a lot of the hot rod guys and the vintage Ford guys have a cool little swap meet. And so I'm going to go down to that so that I can see some friends, do a quick hunt through the swap meet as if I need more crap for my thing. And then I'm going to join up with the Southern California 356 Club for their drive out to my local hangout here, Garage 79. So they're starting in San Clemente, California, which is a good long run for me. So I'm going to do the Escondido run, drive the Porsche there to the hot rod thing, do the swap meet, and then meet up with them along the road somewhere, and then go out to Garage 79 and hang out. And again, I love that place. You've seen a lot of photos and a lot of stuff from that in the past. And then I'm going to invite some of those guys if they want to make the trip out here to hang out in the lab on Saturday afternoon after that event. Maybe I'll have some takers and I can have some friends come and enjoy the space here with me. Other things I've been up to is trying to figure out what to do with a lot of the stuff I've collected, like this giant box full of Mason's grape soda bottle caps. I mean, holy crow, there's probably 5,000 of them in there. And they're too damn cool to throw away, but I don't really know what to do with them. So if you know anybody that's into bottle caps, maybe somebody that does art or whatever, that would be, that's up for grabs. I really want to see these go someplace cool and be turned into something cool. Other things that are going on here, let's see, the BSA project here, I've been working on it a little bit. I've just got it up here in the back of the Studebaker, so it's up out of the ground. But the engine was stuck on this bike when I first got it, so I've been soaking the cylinders, and I managed to get it to kick through this week, and I'm really excited about that. There's a little corrosion or something in the cylinders, but I filled them up full of a good penetrant, let it sit, and now it kicks through nice and smooth. So I've got to drain the fluids out of it, put some fresh oil in it, put some fresh gas in it, and then maybe see if I can get this thing to fire up. Other things that I've been working on a bit are the Sunbeam. Now, the Sunbeam motorcycle that I picked up at the auction in Vegas has really turned into a ridiculously huge project. I'm trying not to let it get me down, but I've got the engine out, I've got the trans out, I've got the engine almost all the way apart, and now I'm waiting for the right size socket so I can remove the flywheel so I can get back behind it to where I think the loose nuts came from, deep within the engine. And anyway, it's a mess. As you can see, I've got the engine in here just kind of sitting in the cradle sideways. I've got to get that big flywheel off that nut, and then I can get down in there and deal with that, and then hope I remember how to put it all back together. Man, it has just been a huge pain in the ass. But I will not let it win. I will get through this, and I will get it all back together. But in any case, other things, the Jag project, I've been really staring at it, trying to figure out what to do next. I've talked to a friend of mine about some graphics so that I can change that yellow stripe to something a little more suitable. I'm going to do that. That's going to come up here fairly soon. And I've just been going through and getting parts ready. I've also talked with my neighbor Ben, who's my fab guy, and he's going to come over. We're going to figure out the steering geometry and the steering column mounting and get that settled in there so that the steering wheel sits in there straight and that things aren't getting all clogged up in there. The way it's set up right now is just plain wrong. And then from there, I want to look into brakes and look into the pedal assembly and the floor, and need to fabricate a cover for the transmission there. So there's a lot of fab work and stuff that's to come on this, but I'm really getting excited about getting onto it and then doing something just a little bit cosmetically with it so that it looks a little cooler sitting here. Not that it doesn't look amazing now, but I think it'll look so much better without the Ronald McDonald color combination there, which just kind of bugs me. So there you go, wrap up of what I've been up to this week. I know it's not much. I know it's a little silly. I feel a little silly showing you just my same old shit again and again and again. But hey, it's what I got. I'm trying to make the best of it, and I'm having a good time sharing my world with anybody that gives a rat's ass about it. Coffee, good stuff. Drink that. Be nice to people. Have fun with your car friends. And yeah, and maybe I need a haircut. The mop's getting a little big. Love y'all. Take care.